Okay, okay, okay. Let me make sure it doesn't get wet. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh! There's a hurricane! Yeah, the rain stopped. It's bad sign. Okay, be right back. much hail. I haven't had hail in such a long time. Ow, it hurts. It's big. It's like as big as a nickel. It hurts. It's as big as a nickel. There's a wall called with a tornado. Oh my gosh, my camera. Okay, I can have this.
Oh, it's hurting.
Okay, I got this is too late for me.
There you go.
There's oil. I'm documenting this. Oh my gosh, it's like a hurricane. I'm checking my storm. Oh crap, my camera. Oh my god, look. It's flying. Look, you get over here and look. Look at this. Oh, don't worry. Oh yeah, I put a steak on it. I put a steak on it. Look at that. What's the Roger one?
Horse is fine. It's pretty tough, actually.
I put a steak on it to keep it from falling. See, look at the steak. You can't move.
You have one.
Oh my god.
Move. My camera's gonna lose power when the tornado strikes me. I can't record.
Oh my god.
What is that?
I love this. I'm waiting all year. You're bringing a laptop downstairs? Okay, you have fun. Let's sing up here.
The season is wrong with the weather.
Here, move out of the way. I'm recording. The camera guys are pretty screwed. Okay, stop hailing. But that was awesome. There's hail. Never seen hail.
Oh, that's gonna be my flower.
You're fine.
I thought it was gonna be
No, just go. I'm recording. Over here, you're not.
Oh, that's really fine.
You're fine. Let's go. I'm recording. Your hair's in the shot. When it hits here, the tornado should be there. Right there.
Wait, what?
Tornado should be right there. It should be here at like 7. Okay, I'm outside. Oh wow. I can already hear sirens go off, how people in distress. Looks like the temperature has dropped to 60. It was 80. This is actually the same day. This is recorded on the same day. It's Minecraft Tornado Survival episode. I think it's episode 13. The name of the episode is called Into a Sandstorm. So if you guys seen Minecraft Tornado Survival, let's check out. Okay, ready? I wanna. Ooh, dirt. Let me check the dirt. Look at that. You see that, guy? See that? Let's put that back in there. I can even get back in there. Yeah, I never had anything. So if you guys watched Minecraft Tornado Survival, if you guys have watched Minecraft Tornado Survival, look at all this damage. Oh yeah, let's check out Glennis' apple tree. If you guys have seen Minecraft Tornado Survival episode 13, and the name of the episode is Into a Sandstorm. If you've seen that episode, well, this is recorded on the same thing. The episode was uploaded today on May 17th, and this is made on May 17th. I'm thinking of uploading this video later on, so you're probably going to see this video on May 20th. You're probably going to see this video on May 20th. Or May 18th, or around Thursday. I don't know. I probably will upload it the day after today. Well, here's one of this tree of our type. Let's pull back. I wish I had a mallet so I could screw that in there deeper. But I don't have a mallet, don't I? So rely on this stake. Actually, now that I have flip-flop, we're gonna push it in deeper. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the ground's wet. So move this around so it looks like it needs to go this way. Nope. Okay, I think that looks good. Wait, let me just tie this tighter. Okay, that's good. Look at the sky. See that dark sky? Well, if you turn around, boom, clear skies. So if you look, clear skies, clouds. Wow, I feel like I'm in space. Clear skies, dark skies. Now, if you're wondering, is the storm coming closer or farther? Well, it just hit us, so it's actually going farther. There's the edge of the storm right there. How far can I zoom into this? Oh yeah, super far. How far can this thing zoom? Guys, you're looking at the storm right now. This is what it looks like inside the storm. Oh, I still see it, how it's so gray. Okay, I think I'm losing battery. Well, look, guys, the storm's leaving. Say goodbye. Goodbye, storm. Goodbye. Farewell. See how this is doing. Bet you $100. Oh, yeah, look at that. Ugh. Look at that down there. See that? That's up close. You guys think I'm zooming in? Here, I'll prove I'm not zooming in. Yeah, look at that. Just closer. See? I'm not zooming in. Here, I'll prove it to you. Watch my hands here. See? I'm not zooming in. I'm actually on a tripod. Yeah, look at that down there. Let's see more. Look at all these. Oh, is there hail? No, it melted. It's kind of warm for hail. It'll melt. Let's check on this storm pipe, shall we? Okay, here we go. In fact, when I was recording, I actually went over here, and there were bubbles. There were bubbles right here, like very thick air bubbles. Very cool. And then over here, the gutters were overflowing. Well, because gunk and stuff. Here are plants. Well, this is what it is for now. There's the garden here. It actually looks closer in real life. Here, look at that garden. Well, say goodbye to the storm. See you guys when the next storm hits us. Yeah, 2 in 1 day, I think. Hey guys, it just started raining. Rain is coming in through my window. Here, wait, I'm gonna put my hands. When a big gust of wind comes, rain comes in through my window. I'm gonna turn on the flashlight. Wait here, let me show you guys here. Wait. Come on, I need a big gust of wind. When I get a big gust of wind, rain starts splashing in through my room. Which ain't happening still. Oh wow, that actually works. Okay, nothing bad's happening. It is quite wet. Oh wow. Look how wet it is. Uh-oh, it's coming in. It's coming in. What the frick? Okay, I screamed a little too loud. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, it's coming in. Damn it, it keeps doing that. Severe weather warning. I got like so many of those. Okay, open the window. Okay, I think it's safe to say that. Let's check. Okay, let me just keep this on. Rusty, it's okay. I'm actually gonna turn on. Oh, you saw that? Here, let me put my camera here when it starts. You guys see lightning? Let me know. Let me get my i3 4. Oh, you saw that, guys? We enable flashlight. That's the stuff. Oh, I feel it coming in. Oh, crap. I can't tell. I was watching a video Well, I'm feeling lucky to do the first thing. Looks like I am feeling lucky today. You hear that, guys? The sound of the rain back in. Taking the radar, make sure everything's okay. If it starts hailing, I'm fucking up. That's the Christmas, but I collect them. Okay, I'm not gonna You know the gutter's overflowing? Guys, I think the gutter's overflowing. Yup, the gutter's overflowing. Yup, the gutter's overflowing. The gutter's overflowing. Did you guys just see that? Yeah, let's play that. Oh, I didn't see that. Well, fucking fine camera. Okay, closer to see what it sounds like. Hear that, guys? Here, I'm gonna put my curtains over the window. Hear the rough? Here, listen to the rough. Check the weather. Can you hear that, guys? At 11 o'clock, it should directly hit us. Let me check this. Check this. Okay, we're almost in the core. Check the temperature. There's some tornado warnings near the area. What are issued? Tornado watch and tornado warning. I'm just looking at the phone radar. We should be okay. Let me plug this in. You only just take out the. Oh wow! You saw that? No, damn it! Oh, you guys missed it. Ugh! We'll put you guys there. You won't make the next one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, you saw that, guys? So imagine this, guys. Imagine if the lightning struck that house. You see that house over there, guys? Probably don't. Imagine if the lightning struck that house. Okay, I'm sorry. I actually hit. The camera fell, and the lid of the camera slammed, and it caused it to power off. And actually, when I turned it back on, it actually had to recover data. Where's there? Rusty, come here, Rusty. Come on, sister, water. Go, come on, Rusty. Rusty, come on. Where's it? There's just dirt. Come on, Rusty. Come on, Rusty. Rusty. Oh, no. Water's coming in. Water's coming in. Water's coming in. Okay, good. Rusty, come on. It's okay. Water's coming in the room, but it's okay. Furnace is on. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh, wow, that's loud. Very loud. You wanna listen? Okay, I just get the steady. Maybe I put my iPhone 4 under it. If I did this. There you go. You guys see. Guys got front row seats to nature's possessed moments. Look at that. Oh yeah, storm. So happy. Oh yeah, earlier on the clip, guys, we got here. Oh my gosh, I see someone's gutters just pouring out of water. Like, guys, it's just pouring. Like, you can see just so much water pouring in there. See that? Oh my gosh, it actually works. You see that gutter, guys? See how pouring that is? Okay, okay. Look at it, it's pouring. You see that, guys? Look, oh, it's flying thing. Look at that. It's pouring, literally. Look at that. Look at all that. Oh my gosh, look at all that water pouring out. And I thought our gutters were bad. Oh yeah, if you guys actually look up, the gutters are actually flooding. Here, let me turn my iPhone 4 here. I don't use anymore. If you actually look up, you can clearly see that the gutters are overflowing. See that, guys? See that? If you don't see that, you know what? Let me turn on low lux. It's a Handycam comes with this thing called low lux. Makes darkness better. Okay, let's try it again. Low lux. Oh wow, that should do his room. Did I see that though? Did I see that? How it's overflowing? Oh look. You guys see that? Oh yeah, look, see the water? Isn't that cool? Alright, let me zoom in to that one guy's house cam. Oh wow, it looks way better. Oh my gosh, look at how it's gushing. Wow, I love that. And I love how it focuses at a good decent rate too. Guys, should I zoom in or should I zoom in out? I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, like 1, 2, 3. Nope, never mind. I'm not gonna do that. Because you guys want to see every bit of the storm. Make sure you do. Because imagine if lightning strikes that house and the camera just falls. Oh wow, look at that. Woo! How do we turn off the camera and wait? Let me go on my phone quick. I'm camera rolling. I'm keeping the camera rolling just so you guys don't miss any lightning strikes like that one. Let's turn the camera a little bit. I'm actually going to zoom in a bit. Yeah, no, never mind. No. Just trying to zoom in. Oh, you saw that, guys? Maybe I'll put that in slow-mo. Because that was amazing. I'm actually going to add this to my documentary. I'll put it on there because this is crazy. I said that, man. Raining, oh, it's raining. Oh my gosh, you guys just saw the sky. The sky is literally full of it. Guys, you missed it. You missed the sky. The sky had a big thing of lightning all across it. It was so awesome. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at my radar. So weird. I've got a notification, severe weather warning. This was the 8th one they sent me in the last hour or so. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was the weirdest lightning struck. Okay, so this is what happens. The lightning struck and the water just stopped and the wind just stopped. And like I got like a big burst of wind. And that lightning. Try to check the radar and look for any good spots. Any good spots over there. Radar actually checked So that guy? Before my eyes. At 12 o'clock it should be okay. I'm actually hear that? That sound like a happy camper. Oh my gosh. See that? That's a rain stop. Yeah. Like that. That's what happens. Like that's rain. Car went crazy. Oh, I hope there's hail. I mean, like, from my side. Look at how tiny that house looks on the camera. It looks so tiny. Okay, that's just crazy. The rain stopped. Man, checking the radar. It's so weird. So guys, on the camera, the house, you see that house what lights up every night? It's so kind of weird, but you see that house in the distance what lights up? You see that, guys? Oh my gosh, the rain's coming in my room. Ah, it's cold too. You see that house, guys? In real life, that house is pretty big, but in the camera, look at how tiny it is. Okay, it's so weird. Wow, it lights up the whole perimeter. You see that house, guys, in the distance? That one? You see that house right there? Yeah, that house, to me, looks like this. This is how big the house looks. That big. That's how big the house looks in my eyes, right here. That's how big it looks. There's gushing water right there. See, the house looks about this big to me. That's how big the house looks in my eyes. I don't know. Maybe because the camera screen's tiny. I don't know. There's literally water coming in my room right now. Oh my gosh. Now this is the second storm. We actually got hit by a storm earlier today. You probably saw how that went, like hail everywhere. Yeah, this is just rain. The last one, oh my gosh, I literally see. Is that whoosh water? Yeah, the last time we got a storm, you guys know how that ended out. And that was actually today, actually. Oh wow, 2 lightning strikes in one video. Oh my gosh, come in my room, come in my room, come in my room. Oh my gosh. Ah, okay, don't. Oh my gosh. I'm soaking wet, so is my camera. Okay, the wind's too intense. I'm soaking wet. Oh no, so is the camera. Let me just clean this off. Oh my gosh, Rusty, come here. It's just a storm. Yeah, I know, the camera's wet. Oh my gosh, I can still feel water coming in. Like, look. Like, look, it's only halfway cracked and there's still water coming in. Oh my gosh, I'm soaked. So it's the oh my gosh, the camera's submerged. Let me just clean that. You guys do not want to know how the camera looks. Here, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna turn on the selfie. Let me just turn it on quick. Just flip that around. This is what the camera looks like. It's all wet. Like, look at it. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's so wet. Anyway, it's so wet. I need to fix this. I'm gonna open up this. Okay, it looks like the wind has stopped. Meanwhile, we're gonna clean up this camera because it's all soaking wet. Oh my gosh, the lens is still wet, and so is the surrounding part. I'm actually gonna. I guess the recording stopped. Yeah, the recording seemed to stop because I closed it. Oh my gosh, it's so wet. I can't seem to clean it off. The water seems to be sticking to the camera. Okay, I think it should be better now. Well, it's still somewhat wet. It's not as bad as it was before. Okay, we're gonna put this back out here. Turn off the flashlight I have on. I wish I charged my camera a bit longer, but I did charge it for a decent time. It's not long. Okay, the rain just stopped. That is so weird. The rain just stopped. Oh, flash. Got a flash. This is the longest storm video. Now this is in the same day as the last storm, guys. The one with the hail you guys saw. Yeah, this is the same storm on the same day. I mean, like, this is a different storm, but on the same day. So the storm you just got hit by, guys, you know, the one you saw the hail and stuff. Okay, Rusty, come here. Yeah, that storm you guys just saw today, the one with the hail. Yeah, that's on May 17th. The storm you're seeing, guys, right now, the night storm is on May 17th as well. So basically 2 storms in one day. One during the day full of hail, and one during the night full of rain and gust winds. How does that sound, guys? Does that sound spectacular? And I'm being sarcastic, by the way. So yeah, day storm full of hail, night storm full of wind. What's the better way of waking up in the morning full of debris and wet branches? And I have to do community service, so extra picking up for me to do. Yay! I think I have to do community service. Let's not worry about that. And no, I'm not a victim. Wow, look at this. Oh, it's coming in. It's coming in. I'm gonna get this. Something in closer and grabbing the camera. Okay, I hear gusts. Oh, close. Okay, that was just at the right time. Okay, open this up. Okay, is it coming in? Nope, it's not. Okay, that was just at the right time, guys. That was. Oh, okay, it's coming in. 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 Oh yeah, you hear that rumblers, guys? Rumbler, cumbler. Look at those cars passing by. They're like, what the frick's happening? Oh, it's coming in, it's coming in. Wait, I'm gonna close it. 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 Okay, it can't get me. Even though there's a crack in there, guys, the reason why it can't get me is because, look, you see any vent? Nope, nothing. See that, guys? Nothing. But if I raise this a bit, look, there's the vent. Higher. So look, right here is nothing. Right here is white, metal, and vent. Okay, nope. Okay, good, we're fine. Oh my gosh, it was coming in. So yeah, we're fine. You see some water dropping. Let me just clean this iPhone 4. I wonder what tomorrow's gonna be like. I wake up in the morning and my whole backyard's full of earth. Oh yeah, there's this one storm video I made a long time ago, guys, of this big storm that hit, and when I woke up, it was showing you guys all the storm damage. Now let me show you that. Let me show you that video. First, let me just check on storm quick. You guys just watch out. Okay, let me just open this quick. Yeah, you guys watch out for storms. I'm just gonna go check the radar and look and see the video. Now, just by the way, this is usual Wisconsin, except I never get anything this intense. A month ago, we got a very bad night storm, so we're in the middle, actually. Except here it's on the side, but let me go on YouTube quick and find that video of the storm damage. I sound twice as bad, because recording myself. Just as bad. It's not recording. Okay, let me go on me very quick. You guys are still looking out for storms. You're like my storm lookers, and you see a lightning and stuff, right? Just trying to document what I can. Oh yeah, just by the way, this video is made on the same day as Minecraft Tornado Survival Season 3, Episode 13, Into a Sandstorm. This video was uploaded 3 hours ago, and today is May 17th, and this is the same day that other storm hit us. You guys just saw earlier in today's vlog. It's more like a rare vlog because storms don't always hit, but you know, it's just 2 storms in one day, guys. How does that sound? So I hope you can watch me get terrorized. I got a lot of videos here. I make quite a bit. Oh, I love this thumbnail. Look at how nice that looks. Doesn't that look nice? I love it. Guys, out of all the thumbnails in the world, this is my favorite thumbnail. Even though I'm not using a shader pack. Now, I do use shaders sometimes, but this is still a lovely thumbnail. I still actually have a thumbnail. Oh, look at this thumbnail. This was actually taken by me. Yes, guys, this thumbnail was actually taken by me. Now, how? Well, simple. I pressed F1, I flew in the air, I installed some nice shaders, and this is what came out of it. Isn't this nice, guys? Now, yes, this was taken by me at the perfect timing. And yeah, the sun was setting. See, look, the sun's setting. Look at how nice that looks, guys. This was taken at the perfect time. That's why it looks so nice. Let me find it. You hear storm in the background. This is my worst video, I think. TNT versus house. Getting set up unboxing. This is when I boxed that lovely keyboard I still use today. That loud one you hear in the background. I have sniffles now again. This is when I started recording. I actually took a break from recording. It's like 5 months, and then so right here is when I stopped recording, and then here, and this is when I stopped recording for a little while. Nope. I stopped recording here. Then I just uploaded this video, and then there's just 2 more videos right after that. How to make your controller sound better. And then quick tip, change Windows 10 settings, 24 views. And then that got 5 views. It was simple enough. That's nothing. It's still here somewhere. I love these thumbnails. Look at these thumbnails. Rage, mad face. It's so funny. I had to private them. Because I actually have a little someone doing something bad. Rain all day. That is the worst thumbnail possible.
It's been raining for like... It's been raining all day. And it's been raining all night and all day.
Let me turn up the volume, you guys. Probably.
It's misting right now.
I have a problem of repeating what I say. Just to
be honest.
I'm currently recording.
Looks like way...
I think this is recorded with the old camera before I even got this one. This camera, actually I bought this camera when I got my new gaming PC, which actually is a good idea. So you got better vlogs and better videos, especially gaming videos. Vote for a new world, please watch the votes. This one actually got a surprising 16 views. I still can't seem to find that one video. It's not here. It's still windy and rainy. It's not as windy and rainy. See, there's still water out. See what it is here. Nothing. Okay. I'm actually going to go to playlist now. That's 18.5. Okay. Next videos. That's kid eating. Oh, yeah, I forgot to like his latest video. Okay, I'll do that later. MRE. Oh no. Sniffles are bad. Keyboard unboxing. Look at storm damage. This is the one I'm talking about. I'm going to turn it up. I think this might be recorded with my new camera. I don't remember which camera this was recorded with. I don't remember. It just depends on the quality. I think I...
looking at the debris from the storm.
Oh yeah, you actually hear the cicadas. This was actually recorded in August. And with my quality. Yep, I was right, guys. This was recorded with my old camera, because look, 720. Unless because my damn phone ain't working. Let me make sure I'm connected to the internet. Okay, let's try that again. Let's hope we get full HD this time. Well, I guess I didn't get full HD. Yep, this was obviously recorded with my old camera. Actually, I think this was recorded with my new camera. I actually don't remember. Actually, I don't even know if this recorded. I don't even know if this was in August. By the color of the grass and sky, this was actually recorded before my birthday, so nearby having, you know, bad quality videos, but it's what I can manage.
Look at all this.
Look at all that damage. There's even a stick standing up in the yard. That was so funny, guys. There's like a big stick standing up in the yard. Look.
Right here, sticking out of the ground.
Yeah, it's so weird. I actually sound your friend. Here, what else is this vlog has gotten out of hand. It started out as a big storm and it ended out as me talking about my old video. This was, oh, surprisingly, look, August 19, 2016. Wow, I'm actually very surprised it's 720p because all my videos I meant about August 19th, of course, are a full HD. Yeah, that's it for now, guys. This video probably got out of hand. This video is supposed to be about these thunderstorms that are hitting my house. Instead, you're actually watching me blabber on about my old videos. You probably don't care, and I probably don't care. But hey, they're old videos, and it makes this channel bigger and more successful. Now, let me just move it away here quick. Don't blur. Don't blur. I keep blurring. Keep blurring. Wait, I'm actually doing this on purpose. I'm actually moving it on purpose. Anything? What? It ain't loading. Okay, here we go. Let me just get this loaded. Okay. Wait, why is our fridge open? Hear that? Well, anyway, yeah, I think we're ending off the video here. I think the thunderstorm's about done. The hail thunderstorm with the hail, I haven't seen anything like that bad in 8 years. So you guys just saw a rare Wisconsin event for me. I live in southern Wisconsin, so I don't really get many of the bad storms. Just usually northern Wisconsin gets them. But yeah, I saw something rare I haven't seen in 8 years. Nickel-sized hail, what melted right when it touched the ground. One of them hit my hand and it probably hurt, but like hurt as an impact, not as in actually hurting myself. This is my hand. It's still alive. I still have a hand, see? But it was nickel-sized hail. It was very interesting. So I'm going to end off the vlog here. Please like and comment, subscribe, and say goodbye to that storm. And when I wake up, it's probably going to be like worst damage ever. In fact, if I do, you guys are probably going to get a follow-up. But I don't know if you guys are going to get a follow-up. Well, if you do, just find out. Goodbye.